Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're going to do some more Christmas ornaments. And a friend of mine said that his favorite is the gingerbread men. He said gingerbread dudes that his mom used to put on the tree. I may try that, but I also had another idea that something you make. It's something I purchased at Walmart and something that you make using your children's handprints. I only have 4-legged children, so it would be their paw prints. So I may try that. I'm not sure which, probably gingerbread men are a little easier and would take less time, and I'm always on a time restraint. And I'm doing this because the ornaments that I made before, the little Christmas tree, whatever this is, was destroyed, I believe, by my cat. He pulled it off the little tree that I have here, still in my craft room, because it won't leave the craft room until Christmas time. But I think he pulled it off the Christmas tree because it was in his bed. Now, his bed he actually doesn't sleep in, but apparently he was playing with this in his bed. It could have been my dog, but the cat is the much more likely suspect here. So we're basically taking this, leaving this off the tree, and we're going to have to replace it with something. So that's what we're going to do today. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all the regular YouTube stuff, and let's go take a look. All right, so I ended up with this, what is this, a tic-tac-toe set from Dollar Tree in the Dollar Plus section. It was $3. It comes with Christmas trees and Christmas bulbs and then this really nice wooden box. So basically, all we're going to do is paint the ornaments, paint the pieces, and we're going to make them into ornaments. So the tree, I am going with green. Now, keep in mind, if you have a green tree that's not flocked, seeing the green on your tree will be difficult. So keep that in mind because you maybe want to flock these ornaments or paint them a different color. And then the ornaments I did in a couple different colors. I did some in this silvery gray color, and then I did some in that red you saw there. And we are painting all sides of them because they're front, back, and the sides. And then I'm just going to decorate the Christmas tree. Sorry, don't know what happened to my camera there. I'm using puffy paint to make the little bulbs. And I didn't have any silver or gold puffy paint, but I had red and blue, so I'm using that. And then I'm going to also add some little silver dots to the Christmas trees. And we're just going to make hangers for them, and that's going to be it. So just using some baker's twine here from Dollar Tree, cutting it and making it into a loop. Oh, and here I'm showing the second side of the ornaments. So it should match, well, it doesn't have to, of course. I'm making it match the front side, so I'm just penciling in the way it should look, and then I'm just going to paint it to make it match the front. And I painted the little part at the top as the ornament topper. And this is actually a gold metallic. You can't really tell too much here on the video, but it is a gold metallic, so it's kind of shiny, kind of fun. And then we're just going to glue on the string so that we have a hanger. And literally just put some hot glue. Put that in. Once I hot glue or put it in the hot glue, then I put a little dab of hot glue on top of the string as well. For the Christmas tree, I put those at the top instead of on the back or front, just because I thought it would hang better. So that's how I did the Christmas tree. And then you're just going to cut off the excess string. You want to make sure you cut that off so that it's not, hanging out everywhere. And that was it. That's it. That's all we're doing. Simple, easy. Love these crafts that are quick and easy. And they're cute. I can actually hang these on my tree when I have my full tree. You see all the ornaments right now are homemade. And there they are. Those are all 3 of the ones that I made. I mean, I made 9 total, but... So I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts. Go ahead and make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and follow so that you know when I come out with my next video. Thank you again for stopping by. I sure do appreciate it. Y'all have a great one.